Hey guys, join me as I restock one of my keycaps. This is my mushroom pond keycaps. These are so fun to make. Making those grass textures are so therapeutic. Oh my goodness, I love making those. I think that's why you see a lot of that in my clay work. Now we're adding the magical part, the mushrooms. I usually paint the white part after I bake it because I use paint to paint it. Redundant, I use paint to paint it, duh. But yeah, these are all done. I'm going to go ahead and bake this batch, and I'll show you a piece of one of my old keycaps so you can see what they will look like once they're painted and resined.